Are you feeling fed up with lockdown? Then why not take the time to get your skin looking amazing for when we all go back to work and back to normal. We've introduced our lockdown facial, which is 4 sure steps to get your skin looking amazing. This kit is clinically proven to achieve 191% increase in skin hydration, 45% increase in skin firmness, brighter looking skin, and it is your salon facial at home. Super cleanse with our ionic brush, 2 preset levels, pour it under some warm water, cleansing gel on, massage all over the face, circular movements. It will last for 1 minute and that's your cleansing time. Rinse off, wash your brush under the tap with warm water again, and now comes what we're famous for, our microdermabrasion part. Use a tiny bit of the polish, put it onto the wet brush, and now it's your skin polishing, buffing. Small circular movements all the way over the face, concentrating. The great thing about this brush, it blends in. So if you've got blocked pores around your nose or the skin's a bit oily, it literally blends in. It will last for 1 minute and that's your exfoliating skin resurfacing time. Our lifting wand comes with a fabulous hyaluronic acid. You remove the head, you pop in some of the hyaluronic serum. Now just a couple of drops is fine. Level 1 and you can really lift and firm. You see the plumping effect. And then level 2, I tend to start off with running it all over my face, up, all the way over, lifting under muscles to really get that lift under my eyebrows. So anywhere on your face where you want that plumping and contouring effect. Most of us, first signs of aging around the eyes, so that's without a shadow of a doubt, that's where you tend to really concentrate. But don't just use it in patches, apply it all over, because effectively what's happening in that product, the hyaluronic gel, is coming out the roller ball. I've even put another attachment in. So you really have got everything you need in this kit to get your skin looking amazing. You're going to literally help drain the puffiness away. It feels amazing because it's so cool. You can store this in the fridge just to really help get that coolness to the skin. Do you notice I'm not gentle? I use some force, well my face needs some force, but you can be a little bit more strong with the use right under the muscle, under the eye, and don't forget the brow bone. Lift up, and you're not finished yet. Wash your brush, dry your brush, and then pop on some skin repair. So you get 3 products with this kit. Pop on some skin repair, and then you start your hydration process. We've taken off the surface debris, taken away the dead skin cells. Now anything that we put onto the skin is literally going to be soaked in. So we use our skin repair to finish to really hydrate. Follow us for all the tips and advice to get your skin looking fabulous. Please let me know if you have any questions, just email us at Crystal Clear. Thank you.